Jackie. Hi, I'm Jackie.
Here we go. Look at how big our bags are. They're giant.
Can you put the second bag up for me?
The,
Use this scale here, sir. Perfect.
what is it? Oh, we're good. How is ours lighter? Just checked our bags. Now we're going through security. Oh no. Yes, ma'am. Got our little passes. Being prepared. Our little babies and little apple. She's judging me because I had to take this out during security and it was so embarrassing. I'm gonna eat an apple. That's not why I have my mask on. Ah. Perfect.
Sorry.
Should we pull it? Should we pull it right now?
Everybody would be like, what the fuck?
We are just starting to board, so we have about 10 minutes. Or when does our flight take off? It takes off at 7:30.
7:35.
So we have, okay, so we have 45 minutes, but they're starting to board right now. Thank you.
It's chilly.
Okay, just made it to the Airbnb, and this is what she looks like. Little kitchen area. Hannah. Bathroom. And bedroom. We're currently eating phone eats first. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so good. We are currently going to the beach. She's all right there. She's right there. Okay.
Wait.
Where's your towel?
We don't have towels, fuck you.
Inexistent. Non-existent. Inexistent.
Their Airbnb is not ready yet, so they don't have towels. Oh, look at a plane. That was us. Did your plane like
way over the
circle?
ocean,
Yeah, ours did that. It was so nice. We got to see like the whole like strip
Yeah,
and
because their
everything.
landing strip basically faces the ocean. So
Yeah.
you have to come in.
Yeah, they're so annoying.
But Lexi wants to be a seagull.
I want that. That is my inner animal.
You want to be a
I
seagull?
want to be a seagull.
Seagulls are annoying.
That'd be so fun. Shut up, Scott.
You'd want to hunt them?
What?
You'd want to hunt Lexi?
No.
Hump?
Hunt?
Want to hunt shoot
Never
Lexi?
said that.
Hump 'em? That'd be something.
Yeah, he wants to hump.
Go ahead.
Look at
Go
he's
chase
sitting
it,
there
Scott.
already.
I mean,
What
like,
did he
I know
say?
I got something bad, but he was like,
No.
"Damn, baby girl, you got some nice legs. You could crush my neck with those." I was like, "Oh, okay."
Violation. I'm uncomfortable.
We're currently going to Target to get groceries because why spend money at restaurants for lunch?
On a mission to get pickles. The best pickles in the world. You cannot find me otherwise. Get these. We got a Target. Target.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So yeah, we're making food right now. Yeah, we're gonna need to get ice. And I'm eating ramen.
And I'm eating SpaghettiOs.
What did you eat? Oh, you had tuna.
Yep.
Yeah, we've just been buying stuff.
Lots of chips.
We're being cheap. So yeah, honestly, this whole trip has been pretty decent. Like, not that expensive.
Yeah. I'm just excited for it to be warmer and sunnier tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today was like 70, and tomorrow, what's tomorrow supposed to be? Like 75?
Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, when the sun came out on the beach, it was not bad.
It was really warm.
Yeah, I was like cooking a lot.
Walking back too when the sun was shining on us, I was so
Yeah.
hot.
And
They're groceries.
well, I felt like with this long sleeve I'd be really hot, but I was not that hot until we were walking back, and I'm like, oh my god. But we got invited to 2 parties by a bunch of randos. We will not be attending. Just me, my ramen. I love it. The noodles are very squishy. I made it in a little pot. I'm a big fan. I just said.
I'm literally going to kill this bitch by
I just said if I do another peace sign, I'm gonna cut off my hand. And then I was gonna repeat it for the vlog.
You said if I do another peace sign, cut off my hand. Not you're gonna cut off your hand.
So I stand corrected. Okay. And we're going out. Brooklyn is out here telling people they look like 21 Savage, making their feelings be hurt.
Shelly, look how much fun it is down here compared to back there.
Look at lights up, Adam and out.
21 is coming with us.
What the fuck?
Please, Jackie, too. Hannah, too, please. Hurry, hit us on the ground. Hurry, please.
Rochelle, get out.
Shelly, stay in the bushes just for a second.
I need your help. Bruh.
Look how many people are down here.
Wow.
Shelly, she said.
So funny. I was so funny.
Just know at least 75 people watch.
Good news. At least 7. Okay, I'm sorry.
She wouldn't slap me though, trust me.
Why would I slap you?
Because you're the most likely to slap me. I'm good. Yikes.
What is that smell?
Hannah?
Got her French fries. She almost ate that fire pit. I tried to catch her, and then she fell into the fire pit. And then I tried to catch the fire pit, and then kind of caught the fire pit. But moral of the story is she's an alcoholic, and I just dropped my nicotine.
They're gonna die.
I was a whore.
So you had sex in my hallway?
And your bathroom.
In my bathroom too?
Yeah.
I dumped an entire glass on my lap. It looks like I peed my pants.
Let me tell you guys, everybody is off their shits except for me and Scott.
She said she didn't need anything.
She's fine.
She said she's fine.
I'm scared that everybody's gonna die. Did you grab it?
Oh, she's got it. I got it.
Who has the zip up?
Zip-up jacket.
She's wearing it.
Oh my god, that flashing did not help anything.
I'm not walking behind people.
We should have gone to TGI Fridays.
Bitch.
We are currently on 5th. I'm scared. Rochelle? No talking to strangers. You need to stop.
I got it to move colors like this. I don't know where I got it, but it's pretty cool.
1, 2, 3.
I ain't stressed about no
Ready? 1, 2.
Guys, we have to press something. We have to press something.
Where are we going? We never pressed anything. Ready? 1.
That was a fast elevator.
I just dropped my mask in the elevator and I can't get it out because the elevator is closed now.
What the fuck?
No, I need my mask.
That one's opening.
No, I need that one open. Corvette. We're gonna break through this. We're gonna break through this.
Scott, oh my
That was the loudest you could have ever made it. Lex, are you good? We need to get out of here. We need to leave. I think that it's our time to go. We are all deceased. Good morning. We are going to the beach after a rough night.
Yep.
I don't know. Let's just show a couple of things here. So first of all, we have broken glass on the floor. We have not cleaned it up, and we will not be cleaning it up until we get back. Yeah, bitten lime.
Oh my god.
You, that is all you, Bob. The entire place is a little trashed.
Yeah.
It was a pretty early night. What time did you guys go to bed?
11:30.
Like 11:30. We brought them back here at like 10:30, and then we went out and we helped a girl back to her place, and I came back with Scott and Lex I was back here at like 12:45. But Tonight will be better, hopefully. We'll try. $1,500. That's more than like, oh my gosh, suits. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is only like 100. That's like the cheapest thing.
Two more full ass pizzas.
Wait, Bella. What'd you have?
Yeah, what'd you have for dinner?
We're fucked.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of cheese on this.
Curious.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
What?
He's coming to the grass!
What is happening?
Chase me.
Oh my
That
god.
girl stole.
Oh my god.
What is going on?
Oh my god. She stole a bag.
They
Was
literally
it
ripped the
Louis?
bag out of her hand.
A guy at the
least
restaurant
they
pointed
responded
down at
back.
her because she had just stole from them.
Wait, was it the purse that she was holding or was it in the bag?
It didn't look like a new purse. I think she stole somebody else's
Was
purse.
it she holding the purse or was it when
It was
so
in
the
like
bag?
this kind of bag.
Jack, you think she's actually good at
Yes, I'm just saying that whenever I look at your face, all I see is your soft little one penis. That's all. And I'm not saying that your penis is small, I'm saying that every soft penis looks like a little worm.
Good, because the last time we did anything, you were scared because you said it was too big.
Oh!
I'm in Miami, bitch.
The sirens go. Oh.
There's a curtain there.
I don't think that was the sirens going off.
Yeah, me neither.
Scott just said if
have you
his
seen
girlfriend
fucking
disagrees
Alyssa?
with him, he's just gonna be like, okay, well, it's fine as long as we can fuck later.
No,
That is what you said.
I said that, but there was a different context to it. You fuck.
Okay, explain please. If a girl disagrees with you, you'll just be like, okay, that's fine as long as we can fuck later.
That's what you said.
Yes, I said that. But if I'm dating a girl, it does not really matter. It's probably gonna be good anyways if she wants to go there. I still want to just fuck later.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
This is our room.
This is my
Like
bed.
it?
They sleep on top.
No,
It's like a dorm. It's smaller than our dorm rooms.
Oh wow, is that cute? That's funny.
That's crazy.
Ship's been there since we.
I know, but look at the
This is so
know that,
scary.
that's why.
It's so dark.
Oh, it's so scary. Imagine her passing.
On a mission. Okay, this whole situation does not make sense. I was carrying the fishing pole because we were helping Lauren and James move from one hotel to another, and then I do give you a tour of their newer hotel room, which is like right next to us.
I got my tumblr loose.
Into the unknown.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. I almost got hit in the face by the door.
This is so nice. You guys even have your own Keurig.
Oh my gosh.
The white
Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. This is so cute.
Yeah, I love this. Look at that
It's
mirror.
so modern.
Oh, that
Yeah.
mirror is
Yeah,
so
James is like, hi, Ken. That's fancy. Insert card for power. Now turn on the lights.
Ooh.
Do they not work without it? They do.
No, they don't. One.
I think just that one. Look at this place. Ooh, oh! Look how, like, you cannot see through this. There's another balcony. Yeah.
Did we get everything out of the other room?
I think so.
Oh my goodness. There's our place. Walking up to the pool. Oh my god. pictures here tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Yes.
These chairs.
Tonight would even look cute.
my-
Hello vlog, it's been a hot minute. We went to the gay bar last night. We're gonna insert some videos here because that was a interesting experience.
I want to eat here.
Let's go.
Wisconsin makes some noise.
Shelly is now bringing out her second puke bag of the week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we're going to the beach. And who knows what else? We might go biking, but probably not. Oh, hell no.
You're lying. You're lying. Oh my god. You're lying, dude. What the? Let him go. Let him go.
I'm not hurting him.
Oh my god.
He bit me.
Oh my gosh, let him out.
All right, hold on. It's our pet bird.
So Jake Paul is on the beach, so we're gonna go find him. We just saw it on his story 13 minutes ago that he was at South Beach. So we found him, and now we're just standing here. We don't know. We should ask for a picture. I feel awkward. Just do it.
I know, they're like blocking him.
I know. I want to see his face.
Niggas always tryna take my shit. How you gon' feel?
We went to Sunset. She's
Do you want to go on the rocks?
On the rock.
No, not on the rocks.
Just a, not like way.
I want to go.
Yes, work it, queen. Ooh.
Damn. That's a big bitch.
The sunset over there looks so cool now.
People remember us from the gay bar last night. So we're back.
We're the loudest ones in here. See that guy? He was like, you guys are here last night, right?
Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Keep right there, get your get her. Keep right there, get your get her. Down about the building. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way.
Good morning. It is currently 6 a.m. and we are going to get stops. And it's eating pizza. We're gonna get Starbucks, watch sunset, and then our flight is at noon. Ish. I don't know. Hello, baby. No, not my coffee.
I love the sharks.
Go, Bruno.
He wants your coffee.
Yeah.
Bruno, you gotta go. He's gonna leave you behind.
Go on.
Go, Bruno. Stop. I want one.
Oh my god, the way he runs.
Look.
Oh, it's getting really pinky.
Holy cow.
Oh no, there's bunches. I think we should still land at 3:40 our time now.
Hi guys. Shall we? Oh, she's leaving. Put your mask on. Put my mask on. Packed up everything, threw all of our food away. We threw away quite a bit of food, but there's still pizza in here that we'll have to grab on our way out. We put her SpaghettiOs in her check bag, and now it's Jackie, your time to get checked. She got to keep
I got it.
All the way in the back.